there are a couple of emotions more fabulous than appearing at the air terminal with a pristine Rolls-Royce Ghost holding up in your name. I was fortunate to have quite recently that experience, while heading out to California over the New Year's end of the week, to go to an opulent wedding in Malibu. Notwithstanding getting a charge out of consideration from outsiders and inspiring my companions, the waterfront California enclave was a fine place to perceive how Rolls drivers in reality live. There are few spots where a Ghost isn't an uncommon locating, yet here I saw two different Rolls-Royce over a couple of days, exactly at the service station closest to my lodging. What's more, however, the Ghost looked like it at the front of each inn and was given uncommon agreement at eateries. It by has some inborn blemishes where our new scoring framework is concerned. Cost, as you'll know, uncertainty figure, confines the decision score essentially on account of its more than my home main concern. Inside and comfort. Full focuses. It's the point at which you first open the mystically adjusted back entryway of the Ghost that you begin to comprehend where all the cash goes, and why. This inside highlights things that you'd expect: a whisper calm lodge at speed, otherworldly ride quality, lambswool floor coverings that urge travelers to go shoeless, and calfskin so rich I notice toast when I take a gander at it. There's likewise the delight of the unforeseen, mandarin orange calfskin complements that get the pinstriping tone and bring it inside, stunning bright work of finished stainless steel, wood trim pieces so thick that the locks make a swoon, rich reverberating sound when they go down. With an almost $10,000 custom sound framework, too, notwithstanding tuning into NPR feels like an activity in lavishness as one moves not far off. Performance and handling. It's inescapable that the Ghost, or different autos that rival it, procure blended appraisals where execution and dealing with are concerned. On one hand you have the motor, a dazzling biturbo 6.6-liter V12 with 563 drive, 605 pound-feet of torque, and more than abundant power for putting the paparazzi in one's back view reflect. Furthermore, as I found while inelegantly bombarding around on some extraordinary ravine streets, this enormous woman will really hold the street in a corner superior to anticipated. In any case, unmistakably the auto was made for proficient dealing with, not by any stretch of the imagination driving delight. Feel from the fragile rimmed directing wheel is zero, and the exertion is significantly supported, which feels extremely odd for an auto as substantial as a dump truck. Well-being features. Notwithstanding feeling as if it's assembled like a bank vault, and looking like it, the Ghost has pretty much all the well-being highlights you'd anticipate from an auto that ships the world's tip-top. Scores of frameworks work enthusiastically to shield Sir or Madam from slamming, close by astounding supplemental perceivability by method for cameras, and a head-up show to keep the driver's eyes out and about.